I am so happy to be posting a video after a while. Today's video will show you how we visited Faro and the Benagil Caves in Portugal. We did a quick trip from Seville, Spain, our home base, to Portugal, so I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get right into it.
We took FlixBus from Seville, Spain to Faro for 14 euros per person. It was a 2.5-hour ride and goes pretty quickly. We stayed in Faro for the night and rented a car for the following day for 25 euros through Auto Rent a Car. So here's our Opel that Patrick will be driving because I'm not under the insurance. Woo woo! Day 2 in Faro, Portugal. There it is, Benagil.
Free public parking. Really nobody here. I imagine in the summer it's completely full. We're not too sure where to go, but the beach is this way. Restriction. The old house.
Wow. After about an hour drive, we arrived at the Benagil Cave parking lot where we started exploring around.
Floor's gone. Until the roof fell down. Oh, I guess there's stairs. I'm not gonna get on those things though. Alright, let's walk this way, where everybody goes. Oh yeah, there's some kayaks. Oh wow. Here's the sign. 30 euro to 300 euro penalty for jumping and going out there on the ledge just to get a nice picture. Although I don't think they're patrolling very much right now just because it's the off season. So you saw the beaches down there. We're up on top, and the cave I think is right around here somewhere.
The plan was to swim to the caves, but it's really cold out. There's the cave right there.
Let's see, this might be a better view. Hello, Miss. In the cave, it's only accessible by the water. And then you have this whole little hidden beach. See, these people are down here and their kayak. Check out how big the cave is. See the nice blue water. There's the hole that we were looking down, and then this is like the underside down here. So you have to kind of get in underneath of it. Check out these fossils in the rock. Like seashell prints and stuff. Look at that one. Alright, now we're walking down the road from the parking lot. We're gonna go to the beach. Oh, inside the cave. Here's inside the cave. Hopefully we can take a boat to get down there. At least look in. I don't know if he'll stop, or if we take kayaks we could probably go in ourselves, but then we don't know if we want to get all wet, you know. Here's where we came up to eat. We parked up that hill and then we swooped around and came up. So it's very nice.
Looks delicious. Thank you.
Dans une demi-heure, tu
Alright, let's do this. Go ahead and tell us how it is, baby.
This fish is awesome.
So here's the ticket shop.
Now, there are a few options to choose from for the boat ride. We went with the express tour for €15 per person. It lasted about half an hour and highlighted all the best caves in Benagil.
Everyone's hopping on.
Everyone, please come more to the back. And you can put your shoes and your big bags there inside.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, this is the cave with the hole.
The most famous cave in the world.
Trump. With his goofy hair.
The next cave is called the Silver Cave, and I'll need you all to come put your hands inside and be careful with your heads. Because it's very narrow.
Tough to steer in here.
Back to the coconut gelato. We came back to this place because we had to order some dessert.
We had a great time.
You guys have to come visit this place, man. Seriously.
So beautiful, definitely a sight to behold. We had amazing fish. We rode on the boat. We saw the cave. Now we head back to Faro. Drop off the rental car. Get on the bus and back to Sevilla. Travel, travel, travel.
Hello again. So that was the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it somewhat useful. If you have any questions, please don't forget to let me know and share them in the comment section below, and I will be sure to answer them. And thank you again so much for watching this video. You guys have a wonderful day. I'll see you soon. Bye.